Alright, so I got the Volvo all painted up, got my numbers and vinyl lettering on. I did rattle can the whole car and it cost me about 25 bucks. I went to Walmart and got their dollar cans, actually 96 cents for the white and 10 cents more for the green. And I bought one can of Rust-Oleum because it's a little brighter green that wasn't available in this stuff. And it cost 3 or 4 bucks or something like that. Now all the letters and numbers, those are all vinyl lettering along with the pinstripe. And with the checkers, what I did was I took little squares of vinyl and placed them on the car, painted over the vinyl, and then peeled the vinyl off to give me that result there. And with the flames, you're going to see in just a second on how I did those. First thing I did was sanded the whole car down. If you don't do that, it's going to peel up, and especially if you're using vinyl lettering and it's got that application tape, and when you put your vinyl down and you peel that tape up, a lot of your paint's going to come up with it. So if you sand it, you'll have less peeling. You might have a little bit, but not as much as you would if you didn't sand. Alright, so enough talking about it. Just check it out. Here it is.